Many people ask me what the hardest part of running a small business is. Honestly, it's finding reliable suppliers. Because if you want to grow your business, the quality of the products you sell is extremely important. They need to be both high quality and affordable. That's why I often use Alibaba.com. It is not just for everyday shopping, it's also one of the world's largest wholesale marketplaces with millions of products and thousands of reliable suppliers. Today, I want to show you a product I got from Alibaba, a silicone watch strap. When I put it on my wrist, it feels super lightweight. Thanks to the softness of silicone, I can comfortably wear it all day long. Since it's silicone, it doesn't make my wrist sweaty. It's easy to clean and it's very practical for workouts. I chose black because it goes with everything. But on Alibaba, you can find hundreds of color options: red, blue, white, and even custom patterns ones. What I like the most is how versatile it is in daily life. When I am at the office, checking the time feels nice. At the gym, whether I am lifting weights or running, I almost forget I am even wearing it. When I meet friends outside, it gives a modern and stylish look. So it's not just for sports, it's an accessory you can wear in every moment of daily life. In fact, a couple of my friends noticed the strap and asked me where I got it. That's another great thing about shopping on Alibaba. You can discover unique, high quality, and affordable products. Another advantage of Alibaba is that it is not only for personal shopping, but also for wholesale purchases. For example, you can order these silicone straps in bulk in different colors and sell them in your own store or online platforms. For anyone who wants to start their own business, Alibaba is a huge opportunity. You can directly communicate with suppliers, customize your products, and scale your business at a low cost. Now, let's take a look at Alibaba application. When I search for silicone watch strap, hundreds of results come up. Here, I can check the wholesale prices range, minimum order quantities, and supplier details. The product page has detailed photos, measurements, color options, and even customer reviews. One of the most important features is a trade assurance, which is buyer protection. It keeps your order safe and secure. You can also message suppliers directly to ask any questions about the product. These features are incredibly useful, especially for small businesses. For sum up, this silicone strap is perfect for daily use. Really, lightweight, flexible, stylish, and durable. For me, it was definitely a great choice in terms of value for money. And that's usually the case with the products I buy from Alibaba. They turn out even better than I expected. If you also want to discover quality products and find reliable suppliers, you should definitely check out Alibaba. Whether you're shopping for yourself or planning to start a new business, you will surely find something that fits your needs. And for me, this silicone strap has definitely become a favorite. Well, thanks for watching my video. Well, thanks for all. Please subscribe my channel and below your comment.